This is exercise 3.1 based upon SSSSA model. That means we need 5 measurements to construct a quadrilateral. So in this 3.1 exercise, we have 4 sides and 1 angle. So first draw rough diagram. So the first sum is ABCD with AB. So first you have to, the main point here is we have to construct a base. So I am drawing the base, that is A, B 5.5 centimeters and BC. So BC, how much BC here? Where the angle A at A? So 45 degrees. So first put an angle 45 degrees and then BC. So here this is C. So BC is 3.5 centimeters and CD is 4 centimeters. AD is 5 centimeters. So this is rough diagram. So the real diagram is original diagram. So first draw a line segment AB. How much? 5.5 centimeters. So 5.5 centimeters. Okay. So this is AB 5.5 centimeters. And next construct an angle at A. So take a protractor and put an angle at A. See, this line will coincide the underline. So 45 degrees. Put an angle at A. So that is 45 degrees. So this is our 45 degrees angle and you have to extend this ray. So here 45 degrees. And see in a rough diagram, AD is 5 centimeters. So take radius 5 centimeters with the help of compass. Draw an arc taking A as center. So this is D. This is D. Okay. And then take B as center and 3.5 centimeters arc. Draw an arc of radius 3.5 centimeters. So this is 3.5 centimeters arc. And then taking D as center, draw an arc with radius 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters arc. So taking D as center. So these two should meet. So I am drawing this arc once again, 3.5 centimeters. So the point of intersection is taken as C. Join BC. Join BC. Join CD. Join CD. So this is 3.5 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. So this is our required quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. And you have to write the construction steps in your own words. Steps of construction. Okay. And next diagram. Next sum in 3.1 exercise. This is quadrilateral BEST. BEST with BE. So what is the base here? BE. So BE. So first you have to draw rough diagram. This is very important. Then only you can draw the original diagram. So BE 2.9 centimeters and where the angle here? B. Okay, at B. So at B we put an angle 75 degrees. So it is acute, so that is why I am drawing this one as in the video. And next BEST. Next one ES. So here ES, S here, that is 3.2 centimeters. ST, ST 2.7 centimeters, and BT 3.4 centimeters. So this is rough diagram and then original diagram. So first draw the base. First you have to draw base, that is 2.9 centimeters. 2.9 centimeters. So this is BE, 2.9 centimeters, and then take the protractor and put an angle at B 75 degrees. So this is 70 and this is 75 degrees, and extend this ray here 75 degrees, and then draw an arc with radius 3.4 centimeters. So 3.4 centimeters, 3.4 centimeters. So the point of intersection here is T. So this is 3.4 centimeters, and then draw an arc 3.2 radius taking as E center. So 3.2. This is the arc 3.2 centimeters, and then taking T as center, draw another arc with radius 2.7 centimeters. 2.7. So this is the arc 2.7 centimeters. So the point of intersection here is S. Join ES, join ES, and join ST. So this is our required quadrilateral best. So this is 3.2 centimeters and this is 2.7 centimeters, and write this